Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about ClickGuard for musicians and why you need it. Why do you need to know about this? Music streaming manipulation is a blight on streaming platforms, artists, podcasters, and advertisers alike. Fake Spotify streams are becoming a massive issue, threatening to destroy the credibility and practice of online streaming if it goes unchecked and contributing more broadly to the ongoing problem of digital fraud. ClickGuard's PPC Click Forensics can help you. ClickGuard's Click Forensics allows you to audit and know exactly what's burning through your marketing budget, what are the causes, and how to stop them. Here is how it works. Deeper understanding of each and every click, type and kind, threat level, and many more. Preventing click fraud on Google Ads is just one piece of the puzzle. Step 1. Sign up. Just your good old sign-up process. It shouldn't take more than 2 minutes. Step 2. Connect Google Ads. No technical expertise needed. Just follow the setup wizard. Step 3. Boost ROI. ClickGuard analyses every ad click to identify and block fraudulent clicks. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.